Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the trim is chrome-plated, not stainless, because plating peels, once confirmed, protect paint with masking tape and a drop cloth. You put on gloves and a respirator to avoid dust and fumes. Start at an edge. Use a heat gun briefly to soften the plating bond, then score the plating with 80 grit to break adhesion. Make sure to keep the gun moving to avoid warping the substrate. This primes the surface for sanding. You continue by using progressive sanding grits to strip remaining chrome. Begin aggressive with 80 to remove bulk, then refine with 120 and finish with 220 for a smooth base. Once done, switch to a sanding block for even pressure on flats and use folded sandpaper for curves so you don't oversand edges. You clean the area with isopropyl alcohol as you go to reveal whether you've reached bare metal or plastic. If you see pits, address them before primer. You finish by applying an appropriate primer. Etch primer for bare metal or a plastic adhesion promoter for ABS. Spray in thin coats and feather the edges to blend. Once the primer cures, block sand with 400-600 grit to a smooth finish, then apply your base and clear coats. Make sure to cure fully between coats. Troubleshooting tip: if chrome reappears or paint lifts, there's likely residual plating. Resand the area to bare substrate. Clean thoroughly, then reprime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.